troubleshooting the induction motor problem. There's a few problems here. Shut it off, and if it turns back on, that'll be the fourth test. One of the first things I noticed when I got up here was the terminals are corroded. The highlight was never marked, but I just, when I gotten it fixed intermittently, I noticed that there was voltage numbers out of these terminals, like on and off a little. So that would definitely cause a problem for the motor, for it to get stuck. I excited it with another 120. So, I also had to bring the 220 leg, feeding the transformer there. There's its whatever ground. And the 120 and the 120 phased to this thing. So now the motor, the induction motor, has got two 120 lines, and then it's got this control circuit. This was my problem. I tried to hit it with 28 volts to wake up the motor. It didn't work. So then I hit it with 120 off the terminal, you know, tapped the wire, the purple going into the motor, and because it was locked, it was buzzing. And once I backfed it, it ran. Turned it off, turned it on a couple times, it worked. At first it didn't work, so I had to keep exciting the wire, had to keep hitting the purple wire going to the motor with 120. This is butt connected nice, so should be working now. And then I did clean the ground. So it needed the 208 to this transformer, and yep, fixed. And nothing's really going on with the control board. It was flashing, giving us 3 lights. So the third light indicates troubleshooting for induction motor and pressure switch. I also bypassed the pressure switch, and it did not make a difference for it. So I knew right there. I tested the motor windings, and they all had good resistance levels, nothing to be exact, but a higher number. Speed 1 had a lower number, speed 2 had a higher number, and the capacitor was also bad, because the capacitor had, this is a 3 farad capacitor, and when I tested it at first, that was at 2 farad, so that thing was not within plus or minus 5%. So got a capacitor, it was like $3-4 bucks, and changed that, and then you know, just stuff nice, waterproof, and